Hello guys, welcome back to Sarkari. Today we are dealing with sociology and philosophy. What is their convergence and what is their divergence? And this is our last topic to discuss sociology, relationship with other social sciences. And let's define philosophy. Philosophy is a way of thinking about certain subjects such as ethics, thought, existence, time, meaning, and value, whereas sociology is the study of society, and by these philosophical thinking and meaning it is society shaped. तो बिकॉज फिलोसफी किसके बारे में, गुड, मोरल, एथिक्स, इन सब के बारे में कौन बात करता है, फिलोसफी. देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, फिलोसफी टेस्ट्स वंस मेंटल थिंकिंग, कि आप सोचते कैसे हो. किसी का होगा कि भगवान में विश्वास रखते होंगे, किसी में होगा भगवान में विश्वास नहीं रखते होंगे. वाइल सोशियोलॉजी फोकसेस ऑन ह्यूमन सोसाइटीज एंड इश्यूज लाइक इनइक्वालिटीज, सोशल चेंज, social identities, and globalization. Now, sociology and philosophy are two important fields that are complementary to each other. Then let's discuss how they are complementary to each other. The two fields involve as in-depth understanding of mind, working, morality, ethics, social norms, and human behavior. And these thoughts like morality, ethics, social norms, and human behavior all have relation with the society, and that is studied by sociology. So, as a concluding point, we can say that sociology is integration of other social sciences. This can this talk this line, sociology is integration of other social, can boost up your score and makes your answers different from other persons when you quote examples recently taking place and interlinkage everything that makes your answer different. So I hope you understand very well. I will recommend you to see the previous year questions so that you can be aware that what we are reading, how we are reading, and what more can be needed. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.